First, I would like to thank Bolt IoT platform for giving me an opportunity to gain a knowledge of web development of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this is the website I have developed for the project, Inventrom website. It contains navigation bar, body of the website, and the footer part. So in the navigation bar, there is one logo of Inventrom and the about hyperlink, awards hyperlink, and contact hyperlink. If we click on the about hyperlink, it will move to the about section. If we click on the awards hyperlink, it will move to the award section. And if we click on the contact, it will move to the contact section. So let us see the coding part of the website. So this is the HTML part of the website and this is the CSS part. In HTML part, first we always start with the doc type HTML and we open the tag of HTML. In the header section, there is a title name that is Bolt Inventrom website and the link to the CSS file that is link rel is equals to style sheet href and this is the directory of the CSS file. So in script, this is the script tag which is used and the meta tag to set the viewport for the responsive design, and this is the link to this is the tag to link the CSS file that is style.css. We can see here. After that, there is a body tag. In the body, first we have declared that div, means we know div is a block type element. We gave a class name called container, and after that, in that there is another div called navbar for creating the navbar. In that there is one image that is the Inventrom logo. We can see here for this navigation bar we have created that, and we have given the alternative text for that. If it is if the image is not available, then to indicate the what image is that, the alternative text is used. So the Inventrom logo is the name of the image, and after that we have created another div to give about awards and contact hyperlinks. We create the hyperlinks using a tag, that is anchor tag. Href is the attribute that is used to store the target of the page or target of the section, and we have given the names about awards and the contact. We have listed these in an unordered list, and after that div class banner area to, and the rest of the body section of the website starts from here. We have created a divs, and there is a text called Bolt IoT Internet of Things platform for enterprise ready IoT products and solution. This is displayed on top of the background image, and the background image is set up by the CSS part. We can see, I'll show you. So we can see here background image you and URL specifying the name of the image, that is background layer PNG. By this we can set the background, and we have set the properties for this. Width is 100% and height is 500 VH, and the position is relative. It will be shown like this. There is a background image with the text on it. After that, I created another div called header text. In that, click to know more. It is a actually it is a link, but will show like a just text, but if we click on the link, it will move to the Bolt IoT website. I will show you. See, if we click to know more, we can move to the Inventrom website. Next, about us section. For about us section, I have created a div called about area and given an ID of about. So, and after another div for storing two images with some description. About us is the heading. We can see about us is the heading. After the text is there, for this we have used the paragraph and described it. After that, we have created another div class called card to insert the image in that div. So about us vision image with the width 400 px and the alternative text about us is declared. By that we can get this our vision image, and in the same manner we have declared another div with the same name and with the image, but with the different image and with the same width. It is the about us mission image. We can see here, this is the vision image and this is the mission image. And after the image have been inserted, we have to write this our mission, our vision and mission. After that, build technology, this text we have to write. For this, here we can see our mission. After that, to build a platform to make IoT development, this is the text below that we have written. After that, the awards area will be appear. We can see awards area contains 4 pictures with awards heading and some text with headings, line and some description. So in the awards section, we have created a div called awarders and with the heading awards. After we have created another class called card list to insert the series of 4 images. We can see here image award 1 with some width property, and after that showcase, that is the heading. We can see here, so this is the showcase. After that there is a horizontal line. For that I have used the HR, which is used to draw a horizontal line with the class lines. Then I have given some CSS properties to it, like width, color and height. And next, this is the description of the first award, that is Indo Started and Silicon Valley. We can see here Indus a startup and Silicon Valley. And next, we are closing all the divs related to the first image, and we have created another div with the same name. We can see here, so that we can give the CSS properties at a time to all the images. And next, in the same manner, like image first, after the heading, winner, and next the horizontal line and then the description. For the third image also the same, and for the fourth image is also same. Now we are closing all the divs with the award sections. Now we came to the contact area. Let us see first. So this is the contact area with the heading get in touch, and with the form, that is we have to be filled our information on the left hand side, and the company details in different states in the right hand side. And this is the contact us part of address, phone number and contact. And in the left hand side there is one submit button to submit the information of the users to the company. Let us see the coding part of it. So first we have created a class with contact area and Get in touch is the heading, so we have used h3 for that. Div class right side, I have created the div for left side as right side and for right side as left side. So this is the left side, that is the form. uh, let's get on to this. I have used span to give some space after that full name. So we can see here with some space after that full name. And then I have used some BR to break the line. Before that, I have given input type is equals to text. This line will give us a text box like this. We can type here anything, our name or anything, that is our name. And after that, div class input box. For all the input boxes, I have given the same name of the class, that is input box. In the input box, first we have created a full name, then last name with the input type text, and next the state or the religion, and the country, email, phone number, and message. For all these we have created a different text boxes, as we can see here. And lastly, the submit button, it can be created by using input type button, or we can directly create it by button tag. We can see here div class button, input type is equals to submit and value is equals to submit. This is the syntax for creating a button of submit. And we are closing the form tag and the div tag with respect to the get in touch section. After that, in the get in touch section only, the right side of the part we have to define. This is all the information only we can give it by just using paragraph tag, heading tag, and these are the images I have used by font awesome links. You can see here. So in the div class left side, our locations, this is the heading. We can see here our locations is the heading. Next, Mumbai, and the description, that is the address of the address in the state of the Mumbai, and Goa. You can see here, see Mumbai with the paragraph tag and bold tag I have used, and next the description of that using pre tag, and Goa, and next the description means the address of the website. So next, contact us. So this is the contact us, and then the location of the Inventrom, it is in Karnataka. So here, this is the heading with contact us, and with I means italic. In italic, it has to print. So we have given the class FAS, FA map marker alt. This is its reference is in font awesome folder. So this is just the address of the company, and next the phone number and contact details. By using these class names, we have we have inserted these symbols like location, phone, and mail. After that, final section is the footer section. In footer section, there are some icons we can see. Copyright and Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram logos. This is, and these images or icons are also available in font awesome links that are referred and linked through these classes called like Fab for Facebook Square, like that. It is already registered in font awesome. And see here, we can see Facebook and Twitter, Instagram images are inserted by giving these and after that paragraph tag is used to print the copyright 2021, and these I class is used to insert the at symbol. We can see here that is not at copyright symbol. And that's all I think about the index HTML, that is HTML part. Now for styling, I have used style.css file. So this is the body. This is the CSS properties that we have applied to the HTML. So for body, we have applied the properties like margin is equals to 0. This is the shorthand property for giving the margin top, right, bottom, and left. All will become 0 by giving this property only. And padding is also having that property of top, right, bottom, and left with 0 px. And the font family is sans serif. Container is the body part. The whole body part is contained in the div class called container. So its width I have given 100%. And the nav bar, for the navigation bar, I have created a class called dot nav bar. It is it position fixed. You can see here, by giving this only, the navigation bar will be fixed. If we move the website, everything will be hidden. I mean, our remaining part of the top of the website will be hidden. Only the content of the bottom will be shown. But if we can see here, the navigation bar is fixed. By giving this position property with fixed, it is able. And top is equals to 0 means it is fixed on top. If we give bottom is equals to 0, it will fix here. We have given top is equals to 0 because now navigation bar of the Inventrom has a top navigation bar. That's why we have given position fixed and top 0. Display flex, it will display the elements in flex, and flex direction is row. It will display the items of the navigation bar in a flex row wise manner. And the background color with white, width 100% I have given to fill all the width. We can see here up to here it is all the navigation bar only. And the z index is equals to 1. Z index means the overriding property means, we can see here in this, uh, in the background there is an image and the text is above the background image. If we give the text z index as -1, the text will move behind the background image. So we have given z index as 1 for navigation bar. And height is 50 px. Justify content is right. And next, nav underscore p float right. That nav underscore p is the class I have given for the hyperlinks called about, awards, and all. It is just I have given the property of float right. And then dot nav. Let us see the dot nav is for which class. We can see here nav p for hyperlinks. Nav p. Okay, I will find it. After I have given the nav with the display flex, list style none, and the padding right is 300 px. Padding means the inner margin of the element. Justify content right, all the elements will be on the right side. Position is absolute and the right is 2%. It will move the items from the right to left 2% of the size of the website. And yeah, this is the anchor tag. We have given the properties for all the anchor tags with margin 1 px, color black, and 20 px. As we can see here, this is black margin with 20 px on all the sides. After that, I have given some properties to that hyperlinks only, with some attributes: height 2 px, width 150 px, background color gray. Actually, this is related to the award section and get in touch section. This is lines, line 1, line 2, line 3. This is with respect to the horizontal lines. I have given height 2 px, width 150, background color is gray, and the border is none. The result of this code will be this horizontal line. And next, the class bolt IoT. Bolt IoT is the class which I have defined for the click here to know more. We can see here class bolt IoT to click here know more, that I have given here. If I click on this, I have already shown it will go to the Inventrom website. For that, I have declared some properties, that is position, top, spacing value, color white, and the text decoration I have given none to remove the underline. And next, the logo div. For the logo, I have given some properties like position absolute and left 25%, means it has to move. We can see here it is not on the left side. We have given some space from here, that is the position absolute. The logo will move from here to here 24% of the website, 25%. After that, a dot hover, if we click on the links, it will convert, it will show us in a black color. We can, I will show you this. See, click to know more is in white color. If I place the mouse over the click to know more, it will turn into the black color. This is applied due to the hover. And the div content, all the div content width is 100%. And I have declared the banner area, that is the background image of the website. So this is the background image, and the properties of that are declared as position relative background image. I have given the URL of the image with width 100%. That's why it has occupied the 100% width of the website, and the height is 5 VH. After that, the text content about the about the background image, that is bolt IoT is an internet of things. So for that, I have given some properties like padding, font style, italic, and font size. And that for this is for the text content and the paragraph. And the text content, I have given some more properties like text align center, color with white, height 80 px, and the padding. After that, the header text and about section. For the all the hyperlinks, I have declared some properties like text align, color, text align, color, font family for all the images. We can see here. And the about area, I have given the width 100%. This about area I can show you. This is the about us section. I have declared the width of this as 100%. Awards area, background color, I have given some color code. Height 450, margin top and margin bottom. So in the award section, the background color, margin, padding, all were declared. These are all related to the award section only. So HTML, it scroll behavior smooth. This is applied uh, to uh, to feel the smooth experience. If we scroll in the website, we can see here, as I scroll, it is very smooth by giving this scroll behavior. And this is all for contact details. Contact area, height 600, background color, weight, all are defined. For this background, contact us details. For the right means left side of the portion, that is form and the contact address. And next, the footer properties are applied here by giving the background as green, height, color, font size, and font style. And the icons padding right 10%. These are all the other properties that I have given for the HTML elements. So finally, this is the website that I have created. Thank you very much.